Hey guys, this is just a short reminder on how to find x and y intercepts. So if I have a graph or an equation, 3x plus 2y equals 6, I can find my x-intercept by letting this term be 0. So I just skip that term or cover it up. 3x is equal to 6, and then I might have to divide by 3. So x is 2. So my x-intercept is 2, 0. And then to find the y-intercept, we just use this piece. This is 0. So for my y-intercept, I have 2y equals 6. I need to divide. So the y-intercept is 3, or 0, 3. Then if you need to graph, you could draw your graph. So your x-intercept is at 2 on the x, and your y-intercept is at 3 on the y. And then we draw our graph like we did the other day in class. All right, let's look at one more example. Let's say I have x minus y equals 4. So remember, if there's not a coefficient, there's an invisible 1 that you can write in there to help you. So the x-intercept is going to be 1x equals 4, and we divide by 1, which you don't really need to do because you know 4 divided by 1 is 4. So my x-intercept is 4, 0. And we'll do our y-intercept. And we use this piece. So negative 1y equals 4. So I divide by negative 1. What happened there with that line? So I divide by negative 1. And this time you got to be careful. Remember, when you're dividing one negative, one signal is negative. So I get negative 4. So my y-intercept is 0, negative 4. And again, if you have to graph, on this first part, you're not going to have to graph. But you would get 4, 0, and 0, negative 4, and you draw your graph. So that's a little reminder. Now try the next piece, which is a little practice test.